So I'm sorry I haven't been putting out reviews like I usually do. There just aren't that many bags out there. I would have to disagree, my brother. So Air kind of flew under the radar and dropped this city collection on us, and I finally got a chance to take a look at it. They sent me a whole bunch of stuff out. They sent me some pouches, slings, and then they also sent me over this city bag right here. Let's run through this stuff, all right? I'm not gonna give you too many of the specs on this stuff. We're gonna run through it. All right, let's take a look at what they call the split pack first. And I'm gonna throw the dimensions up on the screen, but I wanted to give you a kind of a comparison, some size comparison there. So this is the Recycle Firefighter Truckie on the top. You can kind of see the size comparison there, how big this is. It's a little long, but it's a nice little simple pouch. It's got a pocket right here in the interior. We're gonna jump right into this thing, right? So it's got a pocket right here in the interior. All of this stuff is made out of 1680D ballistic nylon. Super great AquaGuard YKK zips. This one right here has an expandable section on the bottom, so it expands out. So you can rock with it flat. You know what I mean? Like you could rock with it flat, kind of. This is the dimension of it right here, but you can expand it out and get like some bottom to it. You know, it can widen the bottom out, and then you can get into the interior, which is a kind of a simple interior, if you guys can see in there. No real pouch pockets or anything like that, just a big open spot for you to put like your cords and cables. This could even act as like a dob kit. So that's the split pouch, right? So then they also came with the slim pouch. Here's the Recycle Firefighter Truckie on the top, so you can see the size comparison real quick. A little bigger, you know. They got an AquaGuard zipper right here on the outside where you can stick some stuff. Real simple pocket, not too deep, where you can stick your stuff, but this is a larger pouch. I would think that this would house most people's tech needs, you know? All of the pouches have like this nice little hook on that side, not a regular piece of nylon webbing, actually a really nice piece of nylon webbing on this split pouch as well. It's got a nice little nylon webbing, subtle branding that Air does on their stuff. And then in the interior, you got your YKK all blacked out zippers right here. And you got a number of slip pockets. Air does like this nice finer mesh on the inside. So you have like two slip pockets here. And then on the other side, you got a zippered pocket and then a slip pocket behind there. But this is a lot of space for whatever you need. Hard drives, wires, all of that stuff can fit in there. And then the last thing, the last accessory before we get to the pack over here is the sling bag, which I actually kind of like. All blacked out, you know, it's calling my name. So you got a pocket on the outside. I found this really helpful for like your keys, or if you want to slip your mask in there. It's got a nice little, you know, metal key clip in there. Definitely AquaGuard zippers. This is a number 10 YKK zipper on the outside. There's a grab handle on this thing. Like I said, this is a nicer piece of nylon webbing. Kind of feels like that seatbelt material. Definitely nice. And there's actually two more pockets on here. So you go to the main section, if I can find the zippers. You find them, the main section, kind of set up kind of similar to the slim pouch, where it's got the pockets on this side where you can slip items in. So it's got like two slip pockets here, and then a larger slip pocket right there, and that's the front. And then on the back, you got a zippered pocket in the back, and then a slip pocket in the very, very back. And it's got some decent size to it in the interior. Then, that's not all, folks. So you got a zipper pocket like close to you, like if you were carrying this on your body like this, right? So this pocket would be the closest to you. So that may be a place where you want to keep your IDs or your wallet or things like that. So a nice little strap on this thing, definitely nice. And it's got a magnetic closure. What is that, a fidlock right there? So this was slick. I mean, this is like run and gun. And then, you know, these are nice little accessories to get to your city pack. And let's go ahead and get to the city pack. Now, I think Undercover, this is probably one of the better everyday carry packs that has been out put out this year, period. This is a smaller pack, 14 liters. I'm gonna give you some of the specs now, right? 2.5 pounds, super light. Now, I'll put the dimensions up on the screen because we don't need to talk about that, but the same material on the outside of this pack, 1680D ballistic nylon, love it. This pack, I mean, this is the, you know what it is? It's the same kind of, you know, design that Air's been doing for a while, and I think that's why it kind of slipped under the radar, but yeah, this is a nice pack. I like the fact that they left the Eddie Murphy raw front of this pack, you know, just kept it all 1680D ballistic nylon on the front. Same kind of setup. So you got the number 10 YKK zip right here. This is, again, great spot to slip your mask in. This pocket is not too big, but it does have, you know, that metal key keeper in there, longer, so you can actually pull your keys out and, you know, unlock the door and then slip them back into this pocket. AquaGuard zippers, great. If you move around to the side, you do have a water bottle pocket on this side of the pack, right? So what I found is this water bottle pocket is just a little bit smaller than what you're gonna do like a larger like Camelback. This is the Camelback Shoot. I think this is like 32 ounces. This is gonna be a little tight for this. It will fit. I stuck it in here, but it was like, woo, it was a tight fit, you know, like the first time, you know what I'm saying? So that fit in there, it was tight. I mean, I don't think it's going anywhere, but you might want to stick to a smaller water bottle. That's kind of what that thing is telling me. He wants a smaller water bottle. And it's got the hideaway design, so it's got the elastic in the back. It's a decent water bottle. On the other side of the pack, nothing, right? Besides this grab handle, which is awesome. So the grab handles on this bag, I mean, yeah, they're if I had to give them a rating, like, you know, out of 10, I'm gonna give them like a solid 8.59 because I like the grab handle on the side. You pick up the bag like this, like a briefcase mode. It looks good. This is like your tech guy, your professional guy. You could be a lawyer, you could be a doctor, you could be, I mean, you could be anybody if you want like a more professional bag. I like it. On the top, the same thing. I love the width of these grab handles. That for my big hands, look out size of my hands. For my big hands, they fit really well. They're very comfortable. Yes, Air, yes. On the bottom, you really don't have anything. On the front, you'll notice that Air puts their subtle branding. I like that. Don't put, you know, Air across the front. Make the branding small. Nice little Hyperlon tag, sweet. So then we get to the admin section, which I should have probably went to first because it's probably one of the coolest sections on this bag right here. So number 10 YKK zips, they black out the zippers on these bags. Nice heavy lanyard pulls on it. So you pull that down and you get all of this great organization. And so you can see I kind of set myself up with little smaller pouches. These pouches are from Savada, and they're like they're tinker pouches. You have to order them from Where's the Liquor. So that's the place online to order these, but they come in black and orange. They got some nice slip pockets, pen slots here, more bungee compartments. Then you got pockets down here at the bottom. You got two like little bungee pockets down here, and one I got my work phone, and in the other I have the LTC pocket. What do they call this? Trauma kit. This is an IFAC. I call it my IFAC. That goes right there. And you also have a zipper pocket up here at the top with a smaller YKK zipper where you might want to put something, you know, that you don't want loose in your bag or whatever. So that's a nice little spot. And in the back, you got a large slip pocket in the back. You could put another laptop. There is a laptop section in this bag, but you could put a laptop here or a tablet. For me, it's just like the little notebook. I love these little notebooks. So I put that back there. But this is a great admin section. So many different ways so that you can set up your stuff. So definitely dope. And then on the top, you got, yes, we already talked about the grab handle, but you do have a quick access compartment right here. AquaGuard YKK zip right here. Smaller, but I don't mind it at all. So this is a very big pocket. Wallet, keys, everything. And it's fleece lined in the inside. So this fits in there with no problem. I love the larger quick access pockets is where it's at. More companies need to do it. So let's get into the main section. Since we have the water bottle pocket on one side, it doesn't go all the way down. So let me grab that number 10. Again, a number 10 YKK zip. So it goes down further on this side than the water bottle side, but you can kind of see what's going on in here. So you got 2 slots in the back, and they're both have that microfiber cloth or, you know, fleece lining. So this is a 17-inch Dell Inspiron. Huge. Older laptop, big laptop, chunky laptop. Most people's laptop is not this big. So that fits in there. Then on the front of that, I have my Samsung 12-inch tablet in the front of that in another pocket. Now, the laptop sleeve is suspended like this much off the bottom. So that's a pretty dope thing. I always appreciate that. And let me flip it around. To the lid side, you have 2 slip pockets here on the lid side where you could slip maybe some different pouches or some things that you want to, you know, kind of organize. But this is still enough space for you to slide your lunch in, as long as you're not Emilio Estevez in the Breakfast Club laying out like, you know, 4 turkey sandwiches for your lunch. So flip around to the back. Air does the back panel right. So you got ergonomically cut shoulder straps. They're not teeny. These shoulder straps are about 2.5 inches wide. You do have a sternum strap there. The cushion in there is probably on the softer side, but still good. Still really good. You do have a sternum strap. Yeah, no. For a 14-liter pack, yeah, boy, you already know I'm gonna take that off. So that's what it is. It's on a slider system. Yeah, no, your boy don't like the slider system, but that's what it is. I don't need it. I'll probably take it off. It's removable. Let's slip back and look at the back panel. Very simple, but effective. So you got 2 tenderloin cushions here. They sit right there on your back with your air vent right in the center. Like it. Nice mesh, kind of a softer, more professional, more refined mesh, but that's cool. I like it. And then you have a luggage pass-through. So yeah, I mean, very simple pack, 14 liters. And you asked me the price, George. The price on this right here is $149. So I don't think I think that's a very good buy for what this is. The stitching, the quality, 1680D Cordura. Yeah, that's gonna last you a long time. And you know your boy George is kind of hard on packs. So when I say it's good, yeah, it's pretty good for the price. $149, and Air actually gives like coupons that go on sale a little bit. Yeah, this is dope. This is a dope pack. I actually like this pack. For a smaller pack, this is probably one of my favorite smaller packs. When I say smaller, like under 20 liters, yeah, this is it all day. Now, the slim pouch, the price on this, 40 bucks. The split pouch, the price on this, let me check my notes. Split kit is 35 bucks. I think that's a little high for this. 35 bucks is a little high for that. And the Sling pack right here is 89 bucks. This is dope. You know, if you like this aesthetic, I think it's a good buy. You can even tuck like the straps in and make this just like a pouch and stick it in your bag. So you got like a whole little coordinated system going on right here. So dope little kit, you know, like I think you figure out which pouch you like better, and then you just, you know, slide it in your bag. There's plenty of spots in this bag, but $149 I think is an excellent buy. For me, I think that the way that Air puts their stuff together is excellent. Guys, if you like this video, man, hit the thumbs up button. It helps the video go out to more people. Get the word out about this everyday carry packs, you know what I'm saying? If you love the content, subscribe to the channel. Try to come out with stuff like every week and talk about these everyday carry packs, knives, flashlights, all that stuff. And if you got a question, leave it down there in the comments. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.